Hello everyone, good evening. So the item we have just performed for you is named a choral piece or Waiata Tira. Basically it's a prayer to the Lord to bestow blessings upon us, also upon our Māori King, and all those who are afflicted by hardships, sickness, and asking the Lord to please uplift our people so we can shine in the light of His enlightenment. Right, so the following item that we have for you follows our traditional welcome process. So we're going to begin with 3 warriors who will come out. They will perform a demonstration of rākau or weaponry movements. The basic aim of that is to clear out the pathway for the group, followed by 3 callers, spiritual callers, who will come out and will join the physical realm with the spiritual realm. Right? And it's also a big acknowledgement to you, our whānau, our family from afar, who have greeted us and agreed to look after us today. Lastly, the last part of the item is when we actually make a bang and start the show off. Right? So, amihi and watch our show.
iti nei ki runga I tēnei whenua e. Karanga mai, karanga mai.
Waerea tai, ka hura tangata uta me tūraki atu ki tangata tai. Ka hura tangata tai me tūraki atu ki tangata uta. Pero ki raha te kore benui, te kore bera te wa. Hia o te taitai a wanga mauta mai te ara, wanga mauta mai te ara. Kauara kata me uhia. Tukuna atu tame ke puta I te tā whanga. He puta ngāri ki nā ranga I te ata he tauira mai e. Mai e, mai e. Mai e, te tipua mai e, te tawhito. Iara mai kai wha.